Nangeng basela. Sumbaba, sumbaba, sumbaba. Sambe. Manani, ninjani, I'm good. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I go by the name of Andile Mpanza. Please join our beautiful family by subscribing down below. Press the like button whenever you feel like you like the video in any point in time, and click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Well, shortly in this video, I'll be showing how to do this beautiful ninja knots. It's really quick, simple, it's very versatile. You can rock it going on a date, you can rock it going out with friends, you can rock it go to church, anywhere. You can style it however you want, like putting different accessories. I will show you a few accessories that I use to style this ninja knots, or to decorate, or to elevate it, yabo. Anyway, I hope you like the video and you enjoy it. See you on the next clip. Now I'm going to quickly do my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product, and I'll show you different ways in which you can accessorize the hairstyle depending on where you're going, or you're a dramatic person like myself. I like drama, so I like to accessorize my hairstyles just to give it like a more of my personality and the type of person that I am. So I'm just gonna quickly time lapse my makeup, because we're gonna have another video where I show you guys how I do my makeup step by step, beginner friendly also. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe down below please, beautiful people, and join the family.